Hello friends, you can log on to primeaptacademy.com to access complete free video courses. So the question says y is equal to absolute value of x square minus 7x plus 10. What is the maximum value of y when x lies between 2 and 5? Okay, so I can write this as y is equal to absolute value of x square minus 5x minus 2x plus 10. So y will be absolute value of x minus 5 into x minus 2. Okay, because that is x square minus 7x plus 10. Now this is an absolute value thing. What I will do is I will draw a graph of this absolute value quadratic. Now if I just have the graph of y is equal to x minus 5 times x minus 2. Let us go one by one step over here. I'll first draw the graph of y is equal to x minus 5 into x minus 2. X minus 2 times x minus 5. When x is 5 and 2, this will be 0. So the graph will cut the x-axis here, and x square has a positive coefficient. So the graph moves like this, such that this is the lowest point. At this lowest point, x coordinate will be exactly in between 2 and 5 because the graph is symmetrical about this lowest point. So 2 and 5 exactly in between is 3.5. 3.5 is the x coordinate, and let's say y1 is the y coordinate. So this is the graph of absolute value of not absolute value, just of x minus 2 times x minus 5. Now if what I'm going to do is I will change the color here. If I draw the graph of y is equal to absolute value of x minus 2 times x minus 5 now. So absolute value means whatever this negative value is coming, it has to become positive. So the graph of that, on the positive side of x and y will move as it is. From this point onwards, the graph becomes like this. Okay, so the graph of absolute value will be from here, it will go like this, then it jumps like this, and then it goes like this. So this is the graph of absolute value of x minus 2 times x minus 5. Now what we need to do is we need to find the maximum value of x. So maximum value, we know over here this was the minimum point. So that is reflected on, and that should be the maximum point. So for the maximum point, x coordinate is same in both the case, which is 3.5. 3.5. So as soon as I put x equal to 3.5, I will get the value of y, and that will be the maximum value. Okay, all right, that is the maximum value between 2 and 5. So if I put x as 3.5, this y will be absolute value of 3.5 minus 2 times 3.5 minus 5, absolute value of that. So 3.5 minus 2 is 1.5, and this is minus 1.5, absolute value of that. So absolute value of 1.5 into minus 1.5, that is absolute value of minus 2.25. Absolute value of minus 2.25 will be 2.25. So this highest point is 3.5 comma 2.25. So 2.25 over here is the highest value of maximum value of y that you get. Okay. So what is the maximum value of y? 2.25. So answer option C, 2.25 is the correct answer.